Npack is a reputable and reliable company that operates in China's bustling manufacturing industry. Since its establishment in 2012, the company has gone on to become a household name, known for the production of high-quality machines used for filling liquids. These machines are versatile, as they find applications in various industries, including food and industrial oils. Npack is motivated by a desire to make liquid filling a stress-free and seamless process. They have made it their mission to provide their customers with machines that are faster, more precise, and more reliable than ever before. Npack has a team of dedicated and skilled professionals who work tirelessly in their modern manufacturing facility to ensure that every machine they produce is of the highest possible standard. They are equipped to design and manufacture bespoke machines tailored to each customer's specific needs. The company continuously invests in research and development, evidencing their commitment to staying ahead of the curve with technological advancements and trends. With a wide and strong sales network, Npack is devoted to creating value for their customers, making them an excellent choice for all liquid filling requirements. Npack crafts high-quality machines to streamline packaging. Their diverse range of products are customizable to suit your unique requirements, including filling machine, capping machine, labeling machine, filling line, etc. Trust Npack to boost efficiency and productivity while saving time and money.